Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a mouth-watering barbecue chicken roast, not in an oven, but right in your pan. Juicy, smoky, and packed with flavor. Let's get started. Take half a kilo of chicken, preferably with skin on for that juicy texture. Give it deep slits to let the flavors sink in. In a bowl, prepare your marinade. Add 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and salt to taste. Mix it all well and rub this marinade generously into the chicken. Make sure it goes into every slit. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour or overnight for best flavor. Now, heat a non-stick pan on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon oil and place your marinated chicken pieces skin side down. Cover with a lid and let it cook for 12 to 15 minutes on low flame. Flip occasionally to avoid burning. Once the chicken is fully cooked, brush it with extra barbecue sauce on both sides and let it roast uncovered for a few more minutes to get that perfect char. To give it an extra smoky barbecue touch, place the chicken directly on the stove flame for a few seconds on each side. It adds beautiful grill marks and that classic tandoori-style aroma. And there it is, juicy, smoky, barbecue chicken roast done in a pan. Serve it with naan, fries, or a fresh salad. No grill, no oven, just pure Desi barbecue magic in your kitchen. If you like this easy pan barbecue recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious homestyle cooking.